Plug and Play is a truly innovative business model, right? What they do is different than others for incubation. They of course do the accelerator, they think about that, but they also are in the business of connecting.
It's really important for universities like the University of Birmingham to collaborate on innovation accelerators like the one run by Plug and Play here. I think actually engaging or working with an accelerator is a great way to make sure that innovators can get their technologies out as quickly as they can.